Hey guys, welcome to musculardevelopment.com. I'm your muscle chef Carlo Filippone here with another quick, easy, and effective, delicious recipe for you. Today, I have a burger recipe that will be kick-ass whether you're using lean ground beef or lean turkey breast, okay? So keep that in mind. It's multifaceted. You could use either for beef, you could use it for turkey, whatever you wish. Okay, I have here 2 pounds of lean ground beef. This is 90% lean, okay? I have 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. I'm just going to throw that in there. I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I have a tablespoon and a half of sea salt. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm surprised I got that on one try. Worcestershire sauce, right? 2 tablespoons of that. 1. And 2, a little more, why not? Okay, and then I'm going to take 1 egg, I'm going to crack and put that in there, no shells, and then I'm going to get in here. I'm going to get in and just start mixing. This is a quick and easy recipe. It's one of the quickest and easiest for burgers that I like. You know, listen, I went many years where I didn't put anything in my meat. I just took it and made it look like a burger and threw it on a grill. And that worked. Well, I was getting ready for shows, but it doesn't work every day anymore. So I have to kind of get creative and fun. So the Worcestershire sauce and the egg, a little bit of salt, pepper, and the onion definitely helps season this, help flavor it, so it doesn't make life so disgusting when I'm trying to eat my ground burger patties, okay? So I want to try to keep a little bit of flavor without going over the top and making the meat, which, you know, beef is a little fattier to begin with typically, so you don't want to make it any fattier. So you want to mix that up. Okay, again, you have 2 pounds of meat here. So you're going to try to form the burger patties into whatever servings you want, right? So guys, you're probably eating a ½ a pound, right? So 8 ounces. If you're doing 8 ounces, you should get 4 burgers out of this, right? 4 large burgers out of this. Ladies, if you're doing this, you're gonna do 4-ounce burger patties. So you're gonna get 8 out of it, right? So I'm gonna go right in between and do about 6 ounces, okay, for me. I'm just gonna form like a meatball, and if you don't have a burger press, just throw them in between 2 dishes and you'll get a burger out of that anyway. So I'm going to roll them all first, and then I'm going to press them and lay them out. All right guys, so I rolled out all of my meat into round meatballs. Okay, now I'm going to press them. Again, I don't have a burger press here, and to be honest, who needs it, right? Just take it in between 2 plates, push down on it evenly, and you'll get even hamburgers anyway. You can make them as thin or as thick as you like them. I usually like to go about 1/4 inch. Makes for some good grilling. Now, check it out. With these burgers, you can either broil them in your oven. You want to set that up, you want to go about 8 minutes. 4 on one side, 4 on the other. If you want to turn them, if you don't feel like turning them, 7 to 8 straight minutes probably gets you medium well. If you're grilling them outside, okay, same thing, 4 minutes per side. If you go 4 minutes and then 2 minutes, usually gets you to 145, which is medium rare. If you want them a little more cooked, I personally am always a little bit more favorable towards medium well. So I like them to about 160. 4 minutes and 4 minutes to get you up to about 165 for medium, for well done. So we're forming these patties. Here's what I promise you. Whether you cook them in your oven and broil them, or you set them up on the grill outside, okay, you're gonna love them. They're kick-ass, they're easy to make, it takes seconds, and whether you're using beef or turkey, you're gonna have kick-ass burgers. Simple, low sodium, low fat, we're not jacking them up with anything else. Throw them on a dish, put them over a salad. Hey, heck, get a multi-grain bun, throw some lettuce, tomato, and some Thousand Island dressing and have a kick-ass burger. I'm Carlo Filippone, your muscle chef. We'll talk to you soon.